Ginger is a flowering plant whose rhizome, or underground stem, is commonly used as a spice and flavoring in various cuisines and beverages. It has a distinctive flavor that is slightly spicy, pungent, and aromatic. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking across different cultures. Keep watching until the end of this video, and I'll show you an easy ginger recipe that's good for your health. But before we continue, all the information presented in this video is supported by scientific evidence and has been verified, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. The rhizome of the ginger plant can be used fresh, dried, powdered, or even as an extract. It is widely used in both sweet and savory dishes, adding depth and warmth to the flavors. In addition to its culinary uses, ginger has been associated with various health benefits. Here are the top 10 health benefits of ginger. Number 1. Digestive aid. Ginger is believed to be beneficial for digestive aid due to its ability to promote various aspects of the digestive process. Ginger has compounds known as gingerols and shoggols that stimulate the production of digestive juices, including saliva and gastric juices. These juices are essential for breaking down food in the stomach and facilitating its movement through the digestive tract. Ginger can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating, discomfort, and gas. It may help speed up the emptying of the stomach and reduce feelings of fullness after a meal. Ginger contains compounds that exhibit antispasmodic properties, which means they can help relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract. This relaxation can ease the movement of food and fluids through the digestive system, reducing discomfort and cramping. Number 2. Nausea Relief. Ginger is known for its potential to provide relief from nausea, which is the sensation of unease and discomfort often accompanied by the urge to vomit. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerols and shoggols that have antiemetic properties, meaning they can help reduce feelings of nausea and prevent vomiting. These compounds work by calming the stomach lining and reducing irritation that can trigger nausea. Pregnant women often experience morning sickness during the early stages of pregnancy, characterized by nausea and vomiting. Ginger has been shown to be effective in reducing the severity of morning sickness symptoms. Pregnant women may find relief by consuming ginger products under the guidance of a healthcare provider. Liking our video so far. Before we move on to the next benefit, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, so you never missed out on new informative videos. Number 3. Immune system support. Ginger is believed to offer immune system support due to its potential to enhance immune function and provide protective effects against certain pathogens. Ginger contains bioactive compounds with anti-inflammatory effects, such as gingerols and zingerol. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system's response to infections. By reducing inflammation, ginger may help the immune system function more effectively. Antioxidants found in ginger, such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds, can help neutralize harmful molecules known as free radicals. These free radicals can damage cells and tissues, potentially compromising immune function. By scavenging free radicals, ginger's antioxidants may contribute to a healthier immune system. Number 4. Pain management. Ginger is thought to have pain-relieving properties that can help alleviate various types of pain. Osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis are conditions characterized by joint pain and stiffness. Ginger's anti-inflammatory effects may help provide relief by reducing inflammation in the affected joints. Some studies suggest that ginger supplementation could lead to improved joint function and reduce pain in individuals with arthritis. Some research indicates that ginger may be effective in reducing the severity of menstrual pain, also known as dysmenorrhea. Its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to relax muscles could contribute to relieving the uterine contractions that cause menstrual cramps. Number 5. Cardiovascular Health. Ginger is believed to offer potential benefits for cardiovascular health by promoting factors that contribute to a healthier heart and circulatory system. Some studies suggest that ginger may have a mild blood pressure lowering effect. Compounds in ginger, particularly gingerol, may help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which can contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Ginger's potential to inhibit platelet aggregation, the clumping together of blood cells that can lead to blood clot formation, may contribute to reducing the risk of cardiovascular events like heart attacks and strokes. Number 6. Menstrual pain relief. Ginger is believed to provide relief from menstrual pain, also known as dysmenorrhea, due to its potential to alleviate the discomfort and cramping experienced by many women during their menstrual cycles. During menstruation, the body produces prostaglandins, hormone-like substances that trigger uterine contractions. Excessive prostaglandin production can contribute to severe cramps. Ginger's potential to modulate prostaglandin levels might help reduce cramp intensity. While ginger may help alleviate menstrual pain, individual responses can vary. If you're considering using ginger to manage menstrual discomfort, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. Number 7. Blood sugar regulation. Ginger is believed to contribute to the regulation of blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Some research suggests that ginger may help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for the body's ability to effectively use insulin to regulate blood sugar. Improved insulin sensitivity can help prevent spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Certain compounds in ginger may enhance the uptake of glucose into cells, promoting its utilization for energy rather than allowing it to accumulate in the bloodstream. This process can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Ginger contains substances that might inhibit enzymes involved in the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract. Slower carbohydrate digestion can lead to a more gradual and controlled release of glucose into the bloodstream. Chronic inflammation is linked to insulin resistance and impaired blood sugar regulation. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties might help improve the body's response to insulin and promote healthier blood sugar levels. Ginger's potential to support metabolism and aid in weight management could indirectly benefit blood sugar regulation. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for preventing and managing diabetes. Number 8. Respiratory Health. Ginger is believed to offer potential benefits for respiratory health by promoting factors that support lung function and alleviate certain respiratory symptoms. Ginger's compounds, particularly gingerol, exhibit anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation in the respiratory tract can contribute to conditions like asthma and bronchitis. By reducing inflammation, ginger may help improve lung function and ease breathing. Some studies suggest that ginger may have bronchodilatory effects, meaning it can help relax the muscles of the airways and promote better airflow. This effect can be especially beneficial for individuals with conditions that cause airway constriction, such as asthma. Ginger's warming and aromatic properties can provide relief from sinus congestion and discomfort. Consuming ginger tea or inhaling steam with ginger can help open up nasal passages and improve breathing. While ginger may provide benefits for respiratory health, it is not a substitute for medical treatments for respiratory conditions. If you have chronic respiratory conditions such as asthma or bronchitis, or if you experience severe respiratory symptoms, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and management. Number 9. Anti-Inflammatory Effects. Ginger is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can have a wide range of positive effects on the body's overall health. Many health conditions, such as arthritis, muscle soreness, and headaches, involve pain as a result of inflammation. Ginger's anti-inflammatory effects can help alleviate pain by reducing inflammation at the source. Conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis involve joint inflammation and pain. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties may help manage arthritis symptoms by reducing inflammation in the affected joints. Chronic inflammation has been implicated in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Ginger's anti-inflammatory compounds may offer protection against brain inflammation and cognitive decline. Number 10. Antioxidant Properties. Ginger possesses antioxidant properties that play a crucial role in protecting cells and tissues from oxidative stress and damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells, DNA, and other cellular components. This damage, known as oxidative stress, is linked to aging and the development of various chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Ginger contains several antioxidant compounds, including gingerol, zingerone, and flavonoids. These compounds have the ability to neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing damage to cells. By neutralizing free radicals, ginger's antioxidants help protect cells and cellular structures from damage. This protection can help maintain cell function and integrity, contributing to overall health. Incorporating ginger into your diet can provide you with these antioxidant benefits. Here's a simple recipe for a refreshing ginger lemon honey drink. In a small saucepan, bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add the sliced or 1 grated ginger to the boiling water. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let the ginger steep in the water for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes. This will infuse the water with the flavor of the ginger. Strain the ginger-infused water into a mug or glass. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice to the ginger-infused water. Stir in 1-2 teaspoons of honey, adjusting the amount to your preferred level of sweetness. Mix well until the honey is dissolved. Enjoy the drink while it's still warm, or you can let it cool and serve it over ice if you prefer a chilled beverage. This ginger lemon honey drink is not only delicious but also provides a combination of flavors and potential health benefits from the ingredients. The ginger adds a warm and slightly spicy note, while the lemon provides a refreshing tang, and the honey offers sweetness and potential soothing properties. Remember that individual taste preferences can vary, so feel free to adjust the amounts of ginger, lemon, and honey to suit your liking. Additionally, if you have any allergies or medical conditions, make sure to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. As always, stay healthy and we'll see you in the next video.